Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the auto sleep feature on the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the menu button down below in the right side corner and click on Settings in the Shortcuts section. After that, you should scroll down and tap on General. After that, click on the third button, which is Auto Sleep. If you would like to enable, tap on this button next to it on the right side, and as you can see, it says when Auto Sleep is turned off, your screen will stay on while the app is running. So if you would like to disable it, just tap on the button again and it will be turned off. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.